Hey y'all, I just wanted to film real quick and just let y'all know that I did do an intro to this video, but I kind of wanted to do like an intro to the intro and basically just say that I do express some of my opinions in this video, and I just want to make sure that we're being kind to each other and loving to each other, even if we do have different opinions. That is really what I'm trying to promote on my channel, and it's just love and caring for each other, and makeup is fun, and I just want to keep it that way, and a good product is a good product, and I really want to showcase the product well. That being said, I do swatches in this video, but this is the first time that I've ever done swatches on camera, so it is a little rough because I have a hard time like showing the inside of my arm, but I'm going to try to edit it to make it where it looks really pretty and really seamless and really showcases the product for you guys. So if you want to see swatches from a blue blood palette and see kind of some of my opinions about some of the stuff that's going on in the world today, then stay tuned. So today is the day that we are celebrating the fact that I have received my Jeffree Star Blue Bloods palette. So a proper Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette reception would not be complete without some Taco Bell. Right? Right. The Chalupa Craving Box, Mountain Dew Baja Blast Freeze, an order of the nacho fries, and then I need a chicken quesadilla with just the chicken and the cheese, no sauce. And another Baja Blast. Yes. That's it. Thank you. All right, we are here at the house. Yay. Now I'm just gonna get all this stuff out of the car and get in the house, and I will show you that beautiful package. All right, Bells, it is literally right here in front of me, right under my Taco Bell. I have not opened it. I wanted you to see my full reaction online and see it as I was doing it. So this is gonna kind of be, I'm starving. Like a casual, kind of like a mukbang. Mukbang. I don't know, what are they called? That's what this is gonna be. Why don't I have a straw? Jeffree, why don't I have a straw? Taco Bell didn't give me any straws, and I didn't order the straws when I was on the other day because I had them in my cart, but I got kicked off and I lost the straws. Come here. Say hi, Spark. Say hi, everybody. Mommy's super excited about her palette, and I'm excited about it too. Yeah, you're excited too. Yeah. You want another one? Ooh. Here, you want it? All right, go play. This is the first time I'm trying these nacho fries, and girl, For real. So, it's Tea Spill Tuesday. And while I'm eating, let me just say, I live in the South. I live in Tennessee. That means not a lot of people are very open-minded. We're very accepting of people like Jeffree. Now, that being said, let me say this. Just because you don't agree with somebody or the way they live their life or the things that they do on the daily, it does not give you the right to say things negatively about them, okay? So let me put it like this. I've been in the beauty industry since before I got out of high school. I was in cosmetology because I was raised in a very small town. And I just wasn't exposed to a lot of diversity. So when I went to beauty school, I met all kinds of different people. I met people that were straight. I met people that were gay. I met guys that did hair that were straight. I met guys that were gay that did hair. I met guys that were, I met all kinds of types of different people. And at first, I was like, ooh, that's weird. I've always been taught to, that is an abomination and it's a sin and who you sleep with and da-da-da-da-da. And I'm not saying that it was wrong of my parents to bring me up that way. I'm not saying that frame of mind of thinking is wrong. I'm not saying that I don't agree with the Bible and what it teaches. I'm not saying that at all. What I want people to understand is that we're all, every single one of us, made in his image. We're all people. And according to what I believe, I'm the one that's going to be standing before Jesus one day and has to answer for how I treated other people that he made, that he loves. That's my religion. That is personal to me. I think it's important to share Christ with people. I think it's important to share your religion, but I think it's important to do it in a way that is respectful of others. And when somebody doesn't believe what you believe, you don't just shut them down and tell them, well, you're wrong, I'm not going to talk to you anymore. That's not how this works. My responsibility for what I believe is to say that we don't have to agree for me to love you. That's what Jesus did. That's who Jesus was. He didn't force people or not talk to people because they didn't believe that he was the Savior of the world. He still loved them. He still associated with them. He still did what he was supposed to do. Now, I don't go to church. Okay? I cuss. I have a glass of wine. You know, I'm not perfect. And I'm not going to pretend to be perfect. And I'm not going to not support somebody who is chasing their dreams and who is successful and who makes a dang good product from what I hear. I'm not going to not support that person because they make different life choices than I do. So, that's all the tea spilled on that. I still have a taco and a chalupa. I'm going to have to take a break. Let's take a break. Let's eat a sandwich with. On a lighter note. All right. Golly, these things are addictive. Let's open this bad boy up. Blue scissors. I did not plan that. It's so pretty already. Look at that. It's all wrapped in paper. Oh, this paper is so flippin' cool. So it's got like all these different, it's his tattoos. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. It is. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, oh. I don't want to rip the sticker. I want to keep this paper. Is that like legit weird? Am I being weird? I'm being a little starstruck weird right now. Look, there's his little dog. And look, it's my favorite tattoo of his. Elvis. Love him. He's the man. I'm so excited right now. I can't believe there's like nobody here. I'm just trying to be ever so gentle because I don't want to rip this paper. I really do want to keep it. I don't know what I'd do with it, but I really do want to keep it. I know what I'll do with it. I'll get some of the wet with paper. Paper. That is the Little Mermaid song. Be still, my beating heart. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So freaking excited. Did I mention I was excited? This is the lips. And this is the baby right here. I love how this stuff is packaged. Like, you can tell that they really took, like, care with it. And we're really wanting to protect it and keep it safe. And I appreciate that because I spent my hard-earned money on it. My gosh, I want it to get here safely. There she is. Look how pretty. I'm so excited. Did I mention I was excited? Okay, let's open this one up first. So this is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, eyeshadow palette. And here we go. Ah, I'm like so jacked up right now. Like I could, I'm so excited. So this is it. This is the packaging. It is, I thought it was plastic, but it's not. It's like a really nice, heavy cardboard, but it's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be because I thought this was plastic. I was like, oh my gosh, this thing's going to be super heavy, but it's not, it's not, it's not. And here we go. Super cute metal latch. Here we go, here we go. Oh, Look at them. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? She is. She is so lovely. So lovely. So beautiful. I have so many ideas for this palette. Like, so many ideas for this palette. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. Okay. Whew. Let's open the lips and look at them. And then I'm going to swatch it for you. Ta-da! Here are the liquid lips. Beautiful. Okay, so the liquid lips, I do want to throw this out there. Blue Velvet is supposed to, I believe it's Blue Velvet, smell like root beer. Yes. Oh, so I want to put it on. I'm gonna like looking at this palette. It's got this beautiful mirror in it. I'm super excited about that. This is gonna be a great summertime palette. This is gonna be great for like, I'm feeling Easter eye looks up here. I mean, all kinds of stuff. Like, I have so many things going on in my brain right now that I'm just on one. So, I mean, the packaging is gorgeous. Everything about this is gorgeous. So I haven't touched any of the shadows yet, so let's do that. And let's go ahead and swatch some. So we have Cullinan, Minty, Crystal Flesh, I'm Cold, Untouchable, and Priceless. On the second row, we have Power, ooh, Blue Blood, ooh, Deceased, oh my gosh, Ice Tray, oh, that is gorgeous, Blue Monday, and perhaps one of my favorite, most anticipated shades that I have been looking forward to actually getting my hands in is Flourishing. Oh, girl. All right, so there are the swatches of the second row. All right, for the last row, we have Wealthy, Celebrity Skin, which looks like it will be a beautiful contour shade on me, Entitled, Ocean Ice, holy mackerel, oh my gosh, girl. Then we have Cremated, beautiful, and Undertaker. I cannot even with this palette. Now that we have swatched those, I am actually not going to dip into these right yet. All right, we need some lips. I almost dropped them. Oh. We need some lips up in here, don't we? Okay, let's look at these blue-blooded. I am excited about these. This is not something that I had originally planned on purchasing, but I got these because the only way I could get the palette was to order the bundle set. And I'm actually really, really glad that I did. I don't wear a lot of crazy colors on my lips, but I'm going to start because these are beautiful from the swatches that I've seen. The packaging on this is just so beautiful. It's beautiful. First, we have Drug Lord. Oh, it's like butter. Like butter. Then we have Ice Tray. I can't wait to use some of these as shadows. Jawbreaker. It's speaking to me. Put me on your lips. It's speaking to me. Girl, wear me. Blue Velvet. Oh, it's beautiful. So pretty. So pretty. Abused. That's a root beer shade. Oh, I love it. Diamond. Titanic. My heart will go on once more. That's really pretty. And then we have Medusa.